Mga katuknangan, welcome to Cheerful Homes by SMDC. Pag sinabi pong SMDC, dekalidad ang mga bahay. So now, I'm going to show you the whole area of this subdivision, and please do watch this. Good day mga katuknangan. Now I'm going to show you the townhouse inner unit upgraded. So ibig sabihin po, ito yung loft type na may interior design, just to give you an idea kung paano natin pagagandahin lalo ang magiging tahanan natin. Okay, this is the facades of the loft type townhouse. So spacious pa po siya sa harap, and also I will give you an idea, kapag na-turn over na po sa inyo, pwede natin pa-extend just like this. So mga katuknangan, idea lang po ito kung paano natin siya pagagandahin lalo. Now I'm going to show you the inside of our townhouse loft inner unit. So guys, itong loft type na ito, naka-interior design po siya, okay? And with the lot area of 50 square meter and the floor area is 32 square meter. Let's go guys, para maipakita ko kung paano kaganda at gaano kaganda ang ating townhouse. Napakaganda po ng loob ng townhouse. Pagkapasok po natin, dito ang kanyang living area. So naglagay po sila ng design, and they also put a aircon window type. And also dito naman natin pwedeng ilagay yung ating dining area and also the kitchen. At dito naman po ang kanyang comfort room. So napakaganda. So binilagyan nila ng tempered glass para habang nagsha-shower tayo, hindi lumabas dito yung tubig. That's an idea, no? So napakaganda po ng pagkaka-design ng ating townhouse loft type. Okay, hanging cabinet, and also may extra lot po tayo dito at the back para sa wash area natin, or it can be a dirty kitchen. Extra lot pa po ninyo ito. Guys, this is a loft type inner unit. So I'm going to show you the second level. And sa nakikita natin dito sa ceiling natin, so mataas po siya. So yung init hindi gaanong papasok. And this rail made of steel bar. Napakaganda po ng hagdan niya. And this is the bed na ginawa po nila. So in interior design po ito, nasa inyo na, pwede natin ipa-extend hanggang doon. So magiging 2 bedrooms din sa sarili nyong design. And also may mga bintana sila dito. Guys, itong design na ito, kinoncept, just to give you an idea, para pag na-turn over na sa inyo, you can concept your own paint, yung color ng pintura natin, yung tiles, yung design sa CR, design sa living room, design sa dining area, and also this kitchen. So nasa inyo na po kung paano nyo pagagandahin ang inyong magiging tahanan. So napakaganda. Later, I'm going to show you the actual turnover of this unit. The turnover po is a bare type. So why bare type po yung iti-turnover sa inyo? So marami po kasi sa mga kliyente na minsan yung sariling design nila yung gusto nilang ilagay. So as of now, nasa inyo na kung anong design po yung ilalagay nyo. So I'm going to show you now the turnover unit. And this is the turnover unit of townhouse inner loft type. So kanina po pinakita ko sa inyo yung ginawang living area here, and also the dining area, and also this one is included na po. Okay? Kung ano po yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na naka-interior design, kayo na po ang magdi-design nito. And at the back, ito po yung kanyang magiging dirty kitchen or your wash area. Okay? And also the toilet and bath. So, nakalock lang po ito. Kanina, pinakita ko na yung nakadesign po sa inyo. And yung stairs po niya, let's go upstairs. Okay. So, yung pinakita ko po sa inyo kanina ay naglagay sila ng kama here and also a cabinet. So, nasa inyo na po kung i-extend pa natin doon to make it 2 bedrooms. Okay. And may dalawang window dito. And may dalawang window din doon. And this is made of steel bar. So guys, nasa inyo na po kung paano natin pagagandahin talaga ang magiging tahanan ninyo, no? So nasa inyo na po yung idea. At kung nagtatanong po kayo kung pwede ba na sa inyo na lang ang mga magko-construct ng bahay ninyo, pwede po, as long na i-submit na lang natin ang design na gusto natin sa property management. Okay? Maraming salamat. And this is the ongoing construction of the clubhouse with swimming pool. With kiddie pool size for your kids. And also a big swimming pool for adults. A spacious clubhouse where you can celebrate your special occasions. Mga katuknangan, that's the end of our video. For more details, don't hesitate to call my number. And also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Tuknangan. And also, don't forget to like and follow my FB page, Tuknangan. Maraming salamat po at sana in the near future, makapag-invest po tayo ng ating sariling tahanan. Maraming salamat po.